back to my channel. Today is the day, as you probably read by that title. I will be doing a blowout on my natural hair. I have been wanting to do this blowout for a very long time, but I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I am nervous about putting heat on my hair. I have not put heat on my hair at all throughout my natural hair journey. I normally just let my hair air dry, and yeah, ever since I've been natural, I have been on a no heat journey as well. But I want to do the blowout to blow my hair out and be able to see some length, and also I'm going to be getting my ends trimmed because my ends have not been trimmed at all since I cut the rest of the relaxer off the ends of my hair after transitioning. So my hair is in desperate need of a trim. So my beautiful mother will be assisting me with trimming my hair today. So yeah, I will be using the Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and styler. I've been wanting this for so long. I finally got it off of Amazon back in March, and I've been putting off blow drying my hair because, like I said, your girl is nervous about it. But I woke up today feeling like I want to go ahead and do this. I will be using heat protectant. We'll get into that later on in the video. I'm coming to you with my hair. I just took out of a puff, so I wanted to show you how my hair looks before it's washed or anything. This is how my hair is looking. So I am going to shampoo, condition, and decondition my hair off camera, and I'll be back and we will get into this blow dryer. So I am back and my hair is freshly shampooed, conditioned, and deconditioned. So this is how it is looking. So I'm going to just take some clips and section my hair off. I'll be right back. Now that my hair is sectioned, let's go ahead and get into this blow dryer, baby. So here it is. It is not heavy. It's very lightweight. Here's the bristles. This is the holes where the air is going to come from. And it has 3 settings: cool, low, high, and the off button, of course. Just turn it like that. And I am so nervous, you guys. Like, I'm so nervous. Can't believe I'm about to do this, but today is the day. So I'm going to start from the back. Start from the back section. I think I'm gonna split these sections into 2. I want to work with very small sections. So I feel like that is enough hair to work with. And I do have heat protectant, of course. I have the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect 7. This is the 7-in-1 leave-in treatment. It detangles and conditions, heat protection, breakage defense, controls frizz, moisturizes dry hair, prevents split ends, and adds exotic shine. So I'm gonna be using this. I probably could just use this alone, but I'm gonna use something else as well, which is the Silk Elements Strength and Silk Thermal Silk Styler. So like I said, I'm super nervous. I haven't had heat on my hair in so long, y'all. I haven't, like I said, I stopped using heat the same time that I stopped using relaxer. So let's go ahead and spray some of the 7-in-1 leave-in treatment. Let me just spray some in my hand. Make sure I get them ends. Okay, then we're gonna put just a drop of this. I don't want to weigh my hair down. Just a drop. Then I'm gonna take my wide comb and make sure that I comb that through, that my hair is detangled well before I go in with this brush. Okay, that is detangled enough, and I am going to use the I'm gonna use the low setting to see how that works. I don't want to use high. Hopefully the low is gonna work. Look at my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so shook right now. I'm so shook. Wow, I am so shook. It worked, y'all. It worked. It really worked, y'all. I was like, didn't know how this was gonna work. Oh my gosh, my hair is blow dry. I can't believe it. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. So I am going to, oh, by the way, the low setting is good enough for me. The heat, like, I still feel the heat. So high would have been like too much for me. I you know, low gets the job done for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry the rest of my hair, and I will be back when I am finished. Okay, so now that my hair is all blow dry, y'all, first of all, I'm shook. Do you see? Stop playing with me, period. I am so shook right now. Like, that's all I could say is shook. I cannot believe the shrinkage is definitely real. My hair feels so good. It's very soft. Like, I'm happy with the results of that. I cannot believe I blow dried my hair. But anyway, now that my hair is all blow dry, I'm gonna go back on the cool setting and run it through my hair one more time before I get my mom to trim it for me. Forgot. Let me see how much hair came out with this brush. So this is the amount of hair that was left in the brush, which is definitely not a lot because I get way more than this when I just detangle my hair. Like, so this is not bad at all. And I have some hair on the floor as well, like that came out of this comb, but the blow dryer in itself, this is what we have. So I will see you guys once my hair is trimmed. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. My mom just finished trimming my hair. Didn't trim too much off. But yeah, these are the results, and I'm still shook and can't believe that I finally blow dried my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel of course, and remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed. Don't worry about the rest.